Hey, happy Friday, little week in review in the grain markets. This morning we are having the WTI trade at $92.85 a barrel at the at the mid-range of the week. Corn trading at $4.48 and all of these are going to be at the bottom of the weekly range with an RSI of a horrible 27. November soybeans at $11.41 with an RSI of 34, and July wheat trading at $5.83 with an RSI of 37. So we did have our first crop ratings for the season, and they were a little disappointing compared to where we normally come out at for crop conditions. So ratings, soybeans, 66% good to excellent. The 5-year average is usually at 68%. Corn, 67% good to excellent, where the 5-year average is at 71%. Now, does that mean our 183 bushels an acre are in jeopardy? No, it just means we're not starting out as good as what we've seen the last 5 years. Then we had update numbers on the Brazilian second corn crop. 2.4% is harvested out of that crop. And it looks like when you take the first crop and the second crop of corn out of Brazil, looks like a very large, if not record crop this year. We continue to see corn and soybeans trade lower this week. There's the weather right now is pretty bearish. There's no major concerns in a large portion of the U.S. The Iran war information, I think that's just market fatigue because we're kind of hearing the same thing multiple weeks every other day. And I think the market's just kind of getting tired of it and discounting it. And then crude oil has stabilized. All of that goes in. I'm sure maybe you've heard that new world screwworm has been found in the United States. That is where flies lay eggs and in the wounds of animals, and then it starts attacking the animal. The meat itself is perfectly fine. This is a flesh thing, and it just decreases the production, not the safety. Thanks.